Black seed oil, a supplement extracted from the seeds of the flowering plant Nigella sativa, sometimes called black seed or black cumin. Traditionally used in the Middle East and Southeast Asia, black seed dates back to ancient Egypt and was found inside King Tutankhamun's tomb. Here are 13 health benefits of black seed oil. Number 1. Cancer prevention. One study found that black seed extracts protected healthy cells and destroyed tumor cells while increasing the levels of antibodies in the body. It also contains antioxidants, boosts the immune system and has anti-inflammatory properties, all key components of cancer prevention. Number 2. High in antioxidants. The black seed oil contains powerful antioxidants that help prevent oxidative stress to cells and the cardiovascular system, including thymoquinone, which has shown to protect against heart, liver and kidney disease in animal studies. Number 3. Black seed oil anti-inflammatory. Studies show that black seed oil can help reduce inflammation. Applied topically, black seed oil can ease the pain of cramps and relieve muscle spasms. Number 4. Antihistamine. A natural antihistamine, black seed oil has been shown to destroy microorganisms in lab tests. Number 5. Antibacterial. Research shows black seed oil has the ability to destroy different bacterial agents in the digestive tract, including candida and E. coli. Number 6. Blood pressure. Several studies have shown that the substances in black seed oil can help reduce blood pressure. Number 7. Immune system support. Many health officials claim that black seed oil boosts the immune system by increasing immune reactions, and the production of antibodies. Number 8. Allergy relief. A study of 152 patients in 2003 showed that black seed oil helped reduce symptoms of allergies, and may be an effective treatment for allergic reactions. Number 9. Diabetes. One study found that black seed oil helped reduce blood sugar levels. This may help diabetics balance glucose and insulin levels after meals. Number 10. Respiratory health. The black seed oil has been shown to be effective for treating asthma, and reducing the symptoms of respiratory infections like coughs and bronchitis. Number 11. Digestive aid. Black seed oil helps the body process toxins, stimulates stomach bile and can act as a laxative. Number 12. Insomnia. Studies show black seed oil can help eliminate sleep disorders when taken internally before going to bed. Number 13. Healthy skin. Black seed oil may be an effective treatment for chronic acne. Hope you liked the video. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like the video to mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.